What do you think is the worst two red flags do you see in a first day in a woman?
On their phone too much, dry sense of humor. Those would be the two biggest red flags because if like women are comfortable, they're not gonna be on their phone.
And two green flags.
If she offers to pay, at least for her portion, like if not her automatic response isn't like, oh, I'm just gonna sit back and let him take care of it. If she's like looks like she wants to pay, absolutely.
So what do you think about this right now, this trend to like 50-50, or he have to pay at the first day, or
50-50 might be the worst thing ever brought up. Just because if you're going 50-50, you're both just giving half effort. And nobody's ever fully
yeah.
getting into it. Okay, it's like 100-100. Everybody just puts in their max effort, and then whoever's like stepping up for whatever occasion, that's just how it goes. People have roles, people have things that they're good at, like strengths and weaknesses. I think you just gotta play off of that.
Yes. And how do you like to receive love? You know about love languages?
How I like to receive
Or
love.
how do you feel seen in a relationship that you can say, oh, she care about me, like she's there for me?
I have a very strong relationship with God, so I kind of just like to mimic it off of that, the way that God shows love, or like love is portrayed in the Bible, like forgiveness, grace, filling the gap. That's like one for me. Like I get a lot done, and I'm always like working. So somebody that kind of will like fill the gap and know what you might be like if you've been working all day, like know you might be hungry, stuff like that, like little stuff like that that'll just kind of help you. Just a little bit, like just a little bit of help is really all you need.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And if you have a something, an idea like to solve the dating problem right now, can you tell me something like?
To solve the dating part, I literally kind of just time back to the last question. I think just get a better relationship with God. That'll literally show you what love should look like and feel like, and then you kind of take that into your relationships or your dates. Genuinely see if you like to hang out with the person, so you enjoy each other's company, so they help you get better, you help them get better. That should always be like the main priority, making sure that you guys help each other get better together, and then you just go from there.
And are you in a relationship right now, or?
I'm more than likely getting married within the next 2 years.
Oh, congratulations. So, how is something like you can say can keep a relationship strong?
Forgiveness. You gotta be willing to forgive one another, because like we're all humans and we all make mistakes. Like you should not be feeling so bad about making a mistake, because you should always be like extending grace to your partner, and your partner should always be extending grace to you. Not like feeling like you guys are walking over each other, but just merely the fact that like, you guys are both humans and mess up, and you're both like developing. Especially like I'm young, yeah. So like I'm still developing. As humans, we're always still developing. There's always more for us to learn. So I think you just have to kind of go in there with that understanding that like I may love this person, but they're still not perfect just because I love them. So like they're gonna make mistakes, and I'm gonna make mistakes, and like we're gonna have to keep learning each other, and things are gonna keep developing. So, like I said, just go in with a lot of grace and kind of go in there focused on building love, building it up. So it starts kind of here, and then like you said, you gotta just get better and better.
My God, thank you so much.